Hey, Steve Young here from RidePower. Today we're going to talk about our large metal mount. This mount can be mounted on handlebars, on the perch, or on the mirror. We have had requests that they want the phone to be able to be mounted higher. We asked why. They said, well, we want to be able to use our cell phone and videotape while we're going down the road. So what we did here at RidePower, we've modified our large metal mount. This is what we did. Currently, the ball is mounted at the top of the mount, and we're going to move it down here. The way we're going to do that is the following. You have a Phillips head here and a Phillips head here. These bolts need to be removed, and you're going to remove the back. Back first, or the ball first. We need to keep this bolt because it goes with the mount. Then what we're going to do is we're going to remove the bottom bolt. Now I've already loosened them up. They are tight. You might need to use a pair of pliers or something to hold on to the nut on the top. Now we take the bolt that was in the top, put it down in the bottom, the long bolt, put it in the bottom, and we're going to start threading. We get that on. Then we're going to take the bolt that was in the bottom, and or in the top, and we're going to place it back up here in the top. We're going to put the little nut back on it. Then what we're going to do is make sure everything's secure. Once everything is secure and in place, we'll be ready to mount it. So the ball was here. It is now down here. So while it's sitting up on your handlebars, it's actually sitting up a little bit higher. So if you do want it higher, it can be higher. That is the RidePower large metal mount. Ride safe.